down. Zoe DeVito opposite near our picture is still waiting. I'm happy with.
Our players are tapping it up because the crews themselves don't want to be starting at a disadvantage.
Good, put your hand down. Put your hand down when you're straight.
Cambridge are happier at the moment on the Surrey bank. So we had a restart in 2001.
Go for the Black Boy. I'm going to start you.
We'll further down the course.
Okay, easy both crews. Easy. Attention! Go!
And away we go. Take two. The boat race restarted.
And again, Oxford very quick onto the second and third stroke. And they've already taken about a quarter of a length. They're moving out very, very fast. But they're very determined here. And you've got